But let me tell you, I am not Ahmed Swale. So when you make catch it, Fantini be home who cha igbeni, na Santini be home who cha ceremony. Me Ahmed Swale, Obin can check the Japan. $800 million. So we are working in the Japan station. Think, that's what you mean.
Ebusia Okai said before MPP primaries, no Honorable Kennedy Agyapong echo granting interview car say Nenkofobi offered $800 million.
Time FM.
The money they offered was $800 million. If he doesn't know, you should ask Mr. Otumfuo.
Oh, they offered.
They offered $800 million.
Not even 500.
No. Says I'm working there, and I'm saying they mean see for Ghana first.
And upper way Captain Smart as the Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. So Obusane say, Sasi kana waka ho asem sa $800 million. E ye hwan na no de ma na security agency bia entimi ankole no to book.
No, you see, Ghana for Jim Brafie and this thing want to become a president. Do you know how much money I was offered? We have a catch us over 150. Can I report? Driver and I. Who America now treat tax? Taxi driver ban a America. Or what? And then 150. Or Mississippi. From house of Yat to us of Yat stroke and the who is afraid? I'm big young couple. No, smart girls. Hey, Ken, really? We
Let's talk ghtrends and then first time I copy into video. Make sure say or subscribe and I'm not clicking on notification bell to see the latest updates about Sabiti Nyaka. Your Facebook as Let's Talk Ghtrends and your TikTok as Let's Talk Ghtrends. Also be follow these pages at their mommy. Any comments be answer one bit teenager or comment section or at their mommy. Now Honorable Kennedy Agyapong enu masem akoyinika. Okokae onuwa ne kwa granting the interview no okokan say oh ya amanfo bebra offer discuss on step it down during their primaries no Ghana ho adwempanti wanje ene okoka say $800 million bi anankomo offer no na ono Ghana ho donti wanje yenka ye ho kakra emra
me say mami $500 million na me step down oni mi nipa dodo a approach me me say delegates any Ghana ho donti I would never do it.
Time FM.
The money they offered was $800 million. If he doesn't know, you should ask Mr. Otumfuo.
Oh, they offered.
They offered $800 million.
Not even 500.
No. Says I'm working there, and I'm saying they mean see for Ghana first. Namono 2016, I'm doing top pickups, and then the Otumima $800 million. Intimacy see for. Hey, but I have not. I have not.
I don't want to see by Jesus scandal.
Maybe I won't hear me say let's drop the E. Now, what the November 4th, yeah. What do you say? Yeah, person would tempt me as a Mecca BB, no Marco K. But they offered $800 million. Almost friend Mr. Pombizu. On them in Casana, see from $800 million. Now I'm saying, yeah. Ghana who don't mean yet. Now the mean
Time FM.
Because Jesus is when you know Ghana watch the woman mean yet. I've not done it. Besides that, and painful, to me a friend a pamicho, some me vice president. They say, what do you mean vice president cry? Oh my catch him please, who vice president cry on 2 months. Say now na lead Ghana. Now we must serve under this government. Who don't buy him? And why should I even step down near co-opposition? And you mean and you mean a different person who se mutu nya Ghana for nipa be 10 ti second Agyapong me nwama no muka Ghana be konanim Ghana ke be konanim dare ana wona call bono region what is saying oh so am intimika hey you say planting for food and jobs me go around you what they mean by planting for food and jobs I have to tell you gospel truth. Going to the north, the vast land untapped, unused, planting for food and jobs, and where are they? Makwa round 275 constituency. Okay. Planting for food and job, where is it?
That factory there.
Factory there.
One district, one factory.
I mean, go media me who baby. Me who me.
You're closer to Penny for
I will not even let you land. Ukasama yemfa. You see, obi owa. Tio. Ti say ukofa matches on koye minister.
Ebusia enono eti okoka asasem we yenti hwe obi ankole mi to book obi amusa ne bibia yete wa na enano pe Captain Smart aba no say eye Omampanyi dada na nado danko ekufu ado amamu ne na enye kra ose na ebonko ebon wankasa na ne nyina soso no honorable Kennedy Agyapong genti a wo kasa de honorable Kennedy Agyapong correct me kotena ase ka say $800 million ananke ye de ma no enso be sinne onipa dasani bia security force bia security agency bia entimi embusa ne say sika no ehimfa na na efiri enie Captain Smart de honorable Kennedy Agyapong ehunamani what to say
Eboa
okoye de o
wo say
okoye de
me koye campaign na mekufo
na ye de
MPPT
na ye de
bo mu bu he no
o ye de
listen enye sa ene ye bu man nya butre enye sa ne ye bu man se say na Rollins jama akufo anka akufo betime bu man really se say ena Mills kufo su jama Mills a Camils betime atena se say ena your friend say Mohammed jama na na do ya anka obetime because nyansa ye di bu man MPP for ya buy wo mu ni bi and I would break it down for you. So more is nyansa di bi anka ya ma Canada Agyapong 102 million Ghana cedi street light contract ni enjano. Do you know why Canada Agyapong had the effrontery and not che an ass? No ya nas hu adwuma Canada Agyapong now yeah Alfred Agbesi wayome ehun adwuma it is a waje contract no execute ya which mean ka enchira no onne ne yere mewa what mean nya ne hwe papa wait me nya kukuduro be ka che ne dampare wo so te ho CDS te ho NIB se me na me koka galamse asema nka NIB a che me 5 times Kennedy Agyapong say he was called Aname Wajebi said he was offered a bribe of $800 million.
Yeah.
Ghana security in Penifam, you guys sat down and watched this thing. Say I offered a bribe of $800 million and nobody did anything. A country like Ghana, poor nation, I hear Sikaya Quine, a school dying, I hear Suo, Kwabrane say your friend say. Omeji $800 million. Don't step it down. Damn parent me and channel. NIB and me and channel. Shraj anka hohe. Dai Yoko anka hohe. Your friend say, check my star. Check my star. Me ame wafa.
Sensi kandapa.
Sensi kandapa. And me and chicken Canada Agyapong. What kind of a country are we building? Look for that video and play for me. And you guys think that we are joking. $800 million. Canada Agyapong say a joke. Say $800 million. Na on tenase men kobiemu. Yenya nipa bi a odwen e wo kroba. Mana amfre no. But let me tell you, I am not Ahmed Swale. So when you make catch it, hey, Fantini bi who cha igbeni, na Santini bi who cha nsrimuni. Me Ahmed Swale. Obi nka check the Japan. Ente she wan e wo ho nka won fi one blow say po. Ka bete poke. So when you make catch up me, I am saving a country. I am not interested in any political party. I don't give a damn to MPP. I don't give a damn to the NDC. $800 million. So we are doing Canada Agyapong station. Think. Also what do you mean? Omeji $800 million. Usuposu so ayen traka. Abrante ya ono me starting to kwai. Kwaku anan ne entua nka. Onse ne omtua nka. Look for that video for me. $800 million. Bo video ni mame. Bo.
Oh, me say mami $500 million. Now me step down. For ni nipa dodo a approach me. me see delegates any Ghana who don't. I will never do it.
Time FM.
The money they offered was $800 million. If he doesn't know, he should ask Mr. Otumfuo.
Who offered that money?
It is
No, you see, Ghana for doing bribery and this thing want to become a president. Do you know how much money I was offered? We have a catch us over 150. Can I report? Woko America now treat taxi. Taxi driver ban a America. Or what? And then 150. Oh, Mississippi. Now from house of Yat to house of Yat looking at the bound. Who is afraid? I'm did Yankopon. Peter on him. No, a smart girls. Hey, Ken, really? Me a big problem, me obi Safia. Corruption na wo krom ha. The enti amaye ntimi fighting Ghana and Central for. Omaye say me JB Efiatago Onia TV TV3 Joy One TV stations radio stations media houses e Ghana yen yama yen fight corruption. I'm telling you today because the media is corrupt. The media is corrupt to the core. Oh, Centronia or ye kese wabo sakora TV so ne radio so etimi ko chief of staff office say me yere car say na ka fitamu a chief of staff di nkwasem obetumi aka who was Centronia penny wo krom ha senior journalist na ye ko hu $1 million obi dem o se ne bra wu ye ne ye born sa sabia buru sabia nyado asante hima ikora wu ye otumfo nya $1 million nsa abode. No, come to think of it. Sabia buru sabia nyado. Enya ba ni na me de be kasa asam ye. Acha me mfancha me sabia buru sabia nyado. Asante hima akura bu ya asante manya nsa abode $1 million. Na when you senior journalist not to TV so say ne bra wu ye ne ye born sa $1 million. Ghana for me catch them on me met me the afia eka met me had the JB ka met me had the Abraham ka Peter ka 3P garlic met me had the ka but say me we Ghana sika de ekwadwo me nya eno de me nya. If you don't know, I am telling you eno de ekwadwo me nya. We say what the minister, what the MP, we say ora frawa wonko. We are bema, I am men ko. Oh, simple. Parliament one negotiations here. Juma say, who the man make catch her? I find your markets to sorry fee appointment committee. No, a plan.
A lie.
A lie. You think we don't know? We know. Parliamentary democracy. Parliament, woman, a show mra. And I want to do mra so. Tiye, I find your markings catch that say they will never stage a walkout. And I want within the next 1 hour. No, I saw the Jahoko.
A lie.
A lie.
A lie.
Ya traba command.
Ebusiana said the Captain Smart FM no. Osi obusa say why na offer $800 million no in this capital we $800 million Ghana cedis $800 million why na offer says Ghana and then so now adding in a security agency bia entimi misa say sika no why na de mano for what purpose for what reason tina na nipa ne this scan man as a Ghana ha obia timi so record your pese the Captain Smart no honorable Kennedy Agyapong me de mani edi atwe say obeba abema ye answer and na say onsoso so a Ningina me de beba abesomo. Your Facebook as Let's Talk GH Rumors and your TikTok as Let's Talk GH. So be follow these pages. Ede mama no share video we ama afofo abishe. Bidin ede na neka santa. Makram.